Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to buy index funds on Vanguard in 2026. To get started, you'll first need to have a Vanguard account and log in. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to find the funds you want to invest in and add them to your basket. You can do this by going to the What We Offer section, selecting Full List, and browsing through the available funds. In this example, I choose two funds I already invest in, an S&P 500 fund and a global all-cap index fund. After selecting each fund, click Invest Now to add them to your basket. Once you've added all the funds you want, continue to purchase and choose which account you'd like to invest through, such as an ISA. You'll then be asked how you want to place your order. I choose Purchase at the next available price, which doesn't incur extra fees and usually processes within the next trading window. After that, enter the amount you want to invest in each fund, for example, £100 in each review, the details, and move on to the confirmation screen. Here, Vanguard shows the ongoing charges for each fund, and you'll need to confirm that you've reviewed the key investor information. Next, select your payment method. If you don't have enough cash balance in your account, you can fund the investment using a debit card. After entering your payment details and submitting the order, Vanguard will process the transaction and contact your bank if needed. Once submitted, your buy orders will appear as pending in the transactions section. Depending on whether the investment is an ETF or a mutual fund, it may complete the same day or take a few business days. When the orders are finalized, you'll receive a contract note in your secure messages or documents area. And that's it, you've successfully invested through Vanguard. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.